Over the past 12 months, we've been hosting ladies' nights at Mitre 10 all over SA. And it's inspired me to do my own DIY project. I'm really excited. I'm about to paint my front door and do up my porch. I'm going to make it look really pretty with the help of Mitre 10. Wish me luck. The good thing is I'm not going to be doing this alone, and neither do you. This is where Mitre 10 can help you, and I've popped into my local. Okay, I'm really excited. I walked into Mitre 10 this morning. I've got a smile on my face because I'm excited. I want to do my first ever DIY project. And Kylie, yes. I bumped into you.
Hello.
And you said, I'm ready to help.
Ready to help.
Yes, okay. Well, firstly, I'm looking at painting my door. I had this vision. I was laying in bed and I went, my green door has to go. I want to paint it black. Do you think it's possible? Am I going to be able to do it?
Yes, of course you can.
All right, tick. First thing's done. I mean, are you finding a lot of people wanting to do DIY projects themselves?
Yes, every day we do.
Really?
Yes.
I think we see lots of shows on TV and we go, look, maybe I can do it. It's just getting the confidence to do it. It can be scary, can't it?
Yes, can be.
But if I've got you to help me.
As long as you follow your instructions, you'll be right.
Okay, so painting a door, the process, is it a hard, long process or is it pretty easy?
Preparation is the key. That is the longer process, but after you get that going, painting is easy.
Okay, you've given me the confidence. Should we go paint shopping together?
Why not?
All right.
Come this way.
This actually seems easier than I thought. You lead the way. My first thing to do is select my paint, and I'm going to do that with Dulux. Got a couple of colours here. What colour do you recommend if I want it really black?
Well, out of the colours you've chosen, I would choose Night Sky.
Yeah.
As it's the blackest one there.
Perfect. I want it to be really striking because at the moment it's just like a minty green colour.
Yep.
So that's the most striking.
Definitely.
We need to go and get all this stuff to prep. Guys, I gotta go prepping, and I feel like this is the most cleaning I'm ever gonna do in my entire life. I have to wipe like 3 times.
Yes.
Wet cloth, dry cloth, another dry cloth. Whew, I'm knackered. All right, let's go. It can be a little overwhelming, but I have a little help. Check out this website and there is a step-by-step guide on how to do this. It even tells you all the tools and accessories you'll need as well. All right, for someone who's never done a DIY, I think I've got everything. Kylie has filled me with hope. She's given me everything I need. I've got my paintbrushes, my drop sheets, my sanders, I've got everything, my wipes. I think I'm ready to go, and I'm gonna go paint my door black. Watch this space. There's 4 easy steps to this. Step 1 is selecting the paint, which we've done, so it's straight on to step 2, which is preparation. Since I'm painting over a lighter colour, I need to give the area a good sand and then wipe it down to remove any dust. You might need to do this a few times. Mask off the edges with painter's tape and cover any glass with paper and lay down a drop sheet. So the door is completely prepped now, and now I'm ready to paint it, which I'm very excited. I'm saying goodbye to my green door. I've loved my green door, but it is time for a change. So I've got my aqua enamel. It's for doors, windows, and trim. I've got my beautiful black. Now I've got my little brushes. I've got my roller. I've got everything I need to transform this area. And I can't believe it's actually not as hard as you think. It can be a bit daunting, but even putting like all the tape on the windows and everything, it's quite liberating. I've done it all. It's very exciting. Apply the first coat and allow it to dry for 2 hours before applying the second coat. Take your time and enjoy it. Yes! I am officially a painter. Where's my overalls? Where's my Dulux and Mitre 10 t-shirt, guys? Instead, I'm wearing a tomato t-shirt. It's finished. I can't believe it. I hope you like the transformation as much as I do. So last night I put a coat of the black on, 1 coat, and then I let it dry overnight. And this morning I've done my second coat. Look, I wouldn't lean up against it, but it's dry to the touch. I think it looks so cool. And once you get the process in your head, you get all the right things. It's actually not as hard as I thought it was going to be. I also styled the porch with all of these plants and pots, and of course they were all from Mitre 10. So at the beginning, the thought of starting a DIY project was really daunting, but walking into Mitre 10 and getting everything I needed, I got the knowledge, and I can't believe how it's turned out. I've painted the door, I've painted everything. I can't believe I remembered how to do it. And who knew you could walk into Mitre 10 and get plants and pots and even a unicorn watering can so my little girl can help me water the plants. Like, what's next for my next DIY project? Who knows, maybe a deck? Okay, baby steps, baby steps.
If you want to give DIY a go, head into your local Mitre 10. You can find the locations on this website.